This video is like our mission statement and how to best use our content. If you have ever watched our content or planning to do so to learn digital marketing, I highly encourage you to watch this video. From the beginning of this channel until now, our main content pillar was decided on one specific problem. I imagined that if I want to learn digital marketing to make a professional career out of it, specifically paid media, how can I learn this? And I saw there was so much content available on YouTube, but the main problem was it lacked structure. And on YouTube, there are mostly two categories of content available. The first one is things like 5 things to consider in 2025 for your Google Ads campaign. These are mostly tips and tricks, but the problem is they are not helpful for beginners. The second category is like 1-hour courses on the complete Google Ads or Meta Ads, and they are very superficial because they are optimized for views. And both of these categories lead to beginners getting overwhelmed and leading to their exhaustion. And on top of this, platforms like YouTube have so much content that it just takes one wrong click to push you in a rabbit hole like how to make money using digital marketing from week 1. Okay, but who am I? I'm a passionate digital marketing trainer, but most importantly, I'm a certified trainer who trained Google Marketing Cloud support teams for 2.5 years across the world. I have attended the most prestigious Train the Trainer workshops. So in short, I know how to design and deliver trainings. I've been a digital marketing professional for the last 11 years and worked with some of the biggest clients in the world. If you want to connect, my LinkedIn profile is in the description below. So what does our channel offer? See, there are 3 content pillars of our channel. The first one is structured courses on Meta Ads, Google Ads, digital marketing courses for beginners, programmatic ads courses, and these make up to 70% of our content. These are structured courses and you can access those from the courses tab on our channel, and YouTube was kind enough to enable this feature for us. The second category is the strategy and upskill videos. These make up to 20% of our content, and these are videos about like how to set up ABM strategy, how to create a media plan, how to create a strategy for a client. But this is the content which is targeted mostly to digital marketers who already are working in a job or doing freelancing projects. The third category is digital marketing lifestyle. This makes up to 10% of our videos. These are videos generally shot in agencies asking people in this industry about questions about their life, about their career, and what tools they use, and basically intended to answer questions for beginners who want to start in this industry. The other type of content in this category are kind of roadmaps which help beginners to basically start this journey and how to learn digital marketing from scratch. There are also some narrative-based videos which highlight the reality of the industry, and some of the videos are there to inspire, maybe. Can I access all the videos, including the courses, on our channel and website? No. All the videos are not public, and it's very interesting to understand why. See, as an educational content creator, there are literally just 2 choices to make when it comes to what type of content to create. The first one is make flashy and clickbait content, which is optimized for views, but then again, you sacrifice the value those videos provide and the fact whether they are helpful for beginners who don't know anything about this industry, who don't have guidance, and they basically don't understand the difference between good and bad content. And a lot of content creators choose this category because it's less hectic to make these kind of videos and you get a lot of views, which means more monetization. The second approach is what we have taken. Make structured videos that are not optimized for views or high retention editing, and they just focus on one thing. Are they able to deliver the value which they promise? But in this category, you kind of sacrifice a lot of things. You sacrifice the views, you sacrifice the retention of audience, because when you create structured courses, the 6th lesson in a course is only useful for people who have watched the first 5 videos. So the engagement rate is generally low. And these kind of videos generally scare away the audience who are not really seeking to learn digital marketing, or they lack the proper guidance and they find this kind of content really boring. Most of the beginners are in this category, and I feel bad for them because they are on the path of disappointment. To give you an idea, the content pillars we discussed about our channel, the last one, which is 10% of our content, generates 80% of our views. And we consciously don't focus on only that category because that is probably the least helpful when it comes to building long-term careers. I've been working on YouTube strategies for 7 years, 4 years before even I started my own channel. I understand how to create both the categories of content, but it's just a conscious choice that we stick with the second category. So does it mean I have to pay to watch your content? Yes, absolutely. You'll have to either buy the channel membership on our YouTube channel or buy the courses or membership on our website. And we have kept it paid for 2 reasons. The first one is the time and effort that goes into creating this content from me and my team needs to be financially rewarded so that it keeps us motivated as well. Otherwise, it's not sustainable at all. I spent countless hours just to decide on the curriculum and the structure of the courses because as a certified trainer, I know how important that part is. The second point we already kind of discussed, that we make these boring but helpful content which is not optimized for views, and the monetization equation needs to balance somehow. Also, it might be very surprising for you to know that when we look at the backend, when we provide free coupons to users or when we provide heavy discounts to users, the completion rates from those users are the least. This clearly means that when people pay for the content, they actually value it, and in turn it helps them. And genuinely, I think that our courses are very reasonably priced, and our courses don't have upsells. You pay for a course and you get it. So is this a right approach for Senator We Run Ads? See, as a marketer, I can tell you one thing. No matter how you design your product, there's always a trade-off that what will be the prospect audience size and the value you will provide. Meaning, if our courses are long and paid and some people don't like this fact, it in turn means that there will be people who will find it incredibly helpful. And we have made this conscious choice and we strongly stand by it. And like everything else, when you stand as very strong on something, you will have naysayers. We are happy with the fact that we cannot please everyone, and actually no brand and product can. And I personally prefer and feel more fulfilled about my work by receiving emails and comments by people saying that our courses help them to make a long-term career than having a million subscribers. So how do I access your courses? There are two ways, as we discussed. The first one is you join a channel membership on YouTube and you'll be able to get access to all the courses. The second way is you either buy individual courses from our website or you buy memberships on our website. The only difference is on our website there are no ads, and also you'll be able to generate certificates and have access to community where you can ask questions. So which course should I go for? See, if you are an experienced digital marketer, you will know which courses and how you want to upskill your career. But if you're a beginner, you should initially go with digital marketing course for beginners and then go with meta ads and probably programmatic advertising and AI marketing course. But once you do the digital marketing course for beginners, you will definitely find your way. Also, it's a good idea to check our roadmap videos, for which I'll put the link in the description below. I wanted to take this opportunity and personally say a big thank you to all the proud members who have been supporting us for more than 24 months now, and also the ones who joined after that. That's all, and I really appreciate if you made it this far in this video. Thank you so much, and I will see you in another one.